Deep Rock Galactic, Rogue Core crashing on startup on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close Steam and the game completely. Restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files, open Steam library. Right-click Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core, click Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Perform clean graphics driver installation. Restart your PC after updating. Hashtag 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam as administrator. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime files. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Delete corrupted config files. Press Windows R, type sent local app data sent, and press enter. Delete rogue core config/files carefully. 8. Disable overclocking. Reset GPU and CPU clocks to default settings. Disable unstable X and Expo profiles temporarily. Relaunch the game afterward. 9. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core completely. Delete leftover game folders manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.